I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious audio issues. Plug and confirm the mic type, then set gain so your peaks sit near -6 dB to preserve headroom. Once done, mute unused app sounds and run a test recording to hear the real problem. This tells you whether it's hardware, levels, or environment. Make sure to reposition the mic 3 to 6 inches from your mouth at a slight angle to reduce plosives while keeping a natural tone. Next, you tackle the recording in your editor. Start with a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble, then capture a short noise profile and apply conservative noise reduction so speech remains natural. Once cleaned, use a de-esser for harsh sibilants and gently boost 3 to 6 kHz for intelligibility. After each change, solo the track and listen. Small, iterative moves preserve the voice's character and prevent digital artifacts. To finish, apply mild compression, about a 2-to-1 ratio with moderate attack and release, and then normalize or set a target loudness so your voice sits consistently in the mix. Once done, compare with a reference commercial to ensure clarity and presence. Adjust EQ or reverb subtly for depth. If you still hear distortion or weird noise, swap the microphone or cable and re-record in another room to isolate hardware from room acoustics. That single test often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.